Hi, I'm Adam Olin, CEO of Russell & Spark, a branding and marketing agency that specializes in independent schools. I'm also a former communications director for a 250-year-old Quaker school, so I know that as an enrollment or admissions professional, you are working hard right now to get ready for open house. That's why we created this short course, The Best Open House Ever. It's one tip a week for 5 weeks. Last time we talked about how to give every visitor a truly warm welcome. Today we'll see how to structure your event to stand out in visitors' minds. The Decision Lab is one of the leading institutes of applied behavioral science, and they've found that when people reflect on an experience, they base their overall impression on 2 data points: the peak of the experience and the end. I have 3 amazing kids, and if you ask my wife about each of her childbearing experiences, 2 things stand out: the most intense moment of labor and the first time she held our baby. This is because our brains know it would be a waste to remember every second of our lives, so it's selective about what it keeps. What guides the selection process? Emotion. This means your open house needs to be engineered to make 2 moments happen: a peak experience, something with powerful emotional resonance, and an end that wows visitors as they leave. Examples of a peak might be a poignant excerpt from the school play, or personal attention from an older kid or teacher, or a moment in which you celebrate the visiting student. Examples of a powerful end might be a personalized note and handshake from the head of school as they leave, or a thoughtful take-home gift or an info packet curated for that specific child. If you have questions about how to put it into practice, email me at adam.olin@russellandspark.com. Thank you for joining me. I was excited to learn this information. I'm happy to share it with you. And if there's someone you know who would benefit from it, by all means, share it with them. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, of course, you should like and subscribe. Now go be awesome and have the best open house ever.